guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fun with Mimi. So viewers, I hope you are fine. So today I have a new and different pebble art decoration ideas. You can see many more different pebble art for frame, for kids, for family, for friends and etc. You make easily this stone art, different painting for stones. I hope you like it. Then you like it, so please like my video, share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And you can see more videos, then press the bell icon and share your friends and family members. And you can see more videos, more different paper craft videos and more different stylish ideas. So you can check my channel, different playlists. It is very beautiful and stylish pebble art, different frames for couples. You have different stones, so you can make different videos and different art easily on your home. You play your friends, your sisters and different. I hope you like it. Then you like it, so please share your friends and family members. And you can see it is very beautiful and stylish wood art and different pebble art videos. I have many more pebble art ideas, sticky pebble art and different clay craft videos, jute craft, foiling paper, wood craft and different beautiful stylish art. And I hope you like it. Will watch my video and visit my YouTube channel Fun with Mimis. So viewers, take care, bye bye, see you soon.